Here we are on Aduana in Arcadia. Nice cul-de-sac, very quiet, birds chirping, nice rose bushes, and a detached garage with solar panels on top. Let's walk through the house, look at the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the backyard. Into the foyer. First thing we see is the dining area. And a decent sized kitchen with a wall oven and a side door and an overhead hood. Down the hall, we have our first bedroom, which has plantation shutters facing the front. Some cabinets in the hallway, linen closets. Here's a second bedroom with more plantation shutters facing the nice greenery in the front. Here's a second bathroom with a full shower and tub. And here's the master primary bedroom with a closet and its own private bathroom. Here with a standalone shower, toilet. And here we have the living area with a fireplace, which leads to our enclosed sunroom. Nice, calm, and peaceful place to hang out in the shade. We're in the rear patio, which is covered, keep you nice and cool. Detached 2-car garage here with cabinet space. And coming back through the patio, we have a little bit of green area here for some planting or hanging out in privacy. So here we are. Call if you have any questions or if you'd like a showing. My information's below.